Crazy girl.
This is still the 9th day of auditions dito sa PGT kung saan ang yes at no na yata ang mga pinaka-importanting word.
At isa rin sa mga una nating natutunang words sa ating pagkabata.
May ganun. Sa bagay, it's the most basic and simplest words to learn.
Pero dito sa PGT, since nabigyan tayo ng pagkakataong mag-judge, ito na yata ang pinakamahirap na salita, lalo na yung salitang no.
Agree ako dyan. And now let's see kung alin sa dalawa ang nakakuha ng ating mga susunod na auditionee.
We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you want jamming, jamming, jamming. I hope you like jamming too.
Sorry no muna.
Nag-practice muna kayo. It's also annoyance.
No muna.
But baby, before I let you go, I want to say I love you, and I know that no one else will do.
Ako, no. No din ako. Sorry.
Try harder and practice some more. It's also annoyance.
Looking for some hot serve, baby, this evening. I want some hot serve, baby, this evening. Gotta have some hot serve, gotta have some love tonight. I need hot serve, hot serve.
Hindi clear yung pagka-pronounce ng hot stuff. Lurgeline, for now, no muna.
Ako din, sa no.
Well, it's also a no for me.
No, no, no. Puro no ang narinig natin.
And it's not just a no, dahil pati mga buzzers, nakisali.
Pero sabi nyo nga, practice lang ng practice.
I just hope itong susunod natin gets a yes for a change.
Judges, eto po si Michael, pero bago niyong interviewin, magpo-perform muna siya. Ang request niya lang, kung pwede lang po.
Why not?
Okay? Good luck, Michael.
Somebody wanna throw me the world was running with me. I in the sharpest tool in the street. She was looking Shannon down with her finger on her thumb in the step over there on her forehead. Well, the news now coming, then the news now coming. Back in the road, and I hear well running. Then Matt saying that to live on one. The band is mine, and your head is done. So much to do, so much to see, so what's wrong with it? It's not that sweet. You never know if you don't go, wow! You never shout if you don't know, come on! Hey now, you're an old star, so get on, go, and come on, hey now, you're a rock star, then I show what you did, fade, and all the letter is gold, only shooting star, breaking down my walls. Somebody wanna ask, so let's feel something so down slightly, to get myself away from this place. Well, I should get what I'm all set. I should use a little to in myself, and we are all use a little. Yeah. Well, the girls are coming, and the doors are coming. Back to the road, and I hear well running. Then they'll send us to live for one. The bed is mine, and your head is dumb. So much to do, so much to see, so what's wrong with taking the back street? You never know if you don't go. You never shout if you don't know. Come on. Hey now, you're an old star, there's a demon. Go, come on, hey now, you're a rock star. Did I show what did fate and all the that we go? Only shooting star, breaks them all. And all the that we go, only shooting star, breaks them all.
How old are you, Michael? Ilan taong ka na?
30.
Yes.
From? Tagasan si Michael?
Dipolog.
Dipolog.
Yes.
You were born with a speech defect.
Yes, ma'am.
Pero yung sa kanya kasi, his disability eh hindi nakikita. Unlike for some, di ba, na yung tinatawag ng
Hair lip, di ba?
Hair lip.
Sa kanya kasi, it's not visible. Na may disability, hindi nakikita. And all you wanted to do was to be able to perform ngayon. Tama ba ako? To be given that opportunity. I admire very much talaga the nasa tono. Tama.
For the effort that you want to show everybody that you could dance and join PGT, we welcome you here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Salamat.
ako naman, Michael. Sobra akong nabilib sa ginawa mo. Kung ano man ang binigay sa'yo ng Diyos, sinulit mo. Hindi ka nagreklamo, hindi ka nagmukmok. At dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent, bukod sa'yo na pinakita mo, mas nakita kong mas malaki sa talent mo ay ang puso mo. Dahil doon pinapalakpakan kita, Michael.
Salamat, sir.
May trabaho ka ngayon?
Wala, ma'am. Habal-habal ako, ma'am.
Tricycle driver,
Meron.
Meron. Winta lang ang
50 neto sa isang araw. Pero ikaw, may sarili ka ng tricycle o ng arkila ka pa?
Oh, sa atin, ma'am.
Sa'yo na yon.
Utang.
Binabayaran mo pa rin.
Oh, buwan-buwan.
Magkano pa kulang?
1.2 million siguro, no?
Mga magkano lang? O 15 mil, 15,000. Bayad na yon.
Gano'n na, sir. Yung ulang,
Yan.
Eto na lang, kuya. Hindi malinaw kung magkano ang utang niya pa para mas nasa kanya na yung motor. Kung ano ang kulang, okay? Kung ano ang kulang para makuha mo na yung motor, kami ni Luluboy hahatiin na namin.
Eksakto.
Okay?
Hati kami ni Billy Boy. Sa'yo na yun.
Salamat. Salamat po.
Okay, Michael, for your performance, I have to say no, okay?
Sorry din, ano.
Ako rin, sana kahit paano kami ni Billy Boy makatulong sa'yo, bro. Sorry. Pero ako dahil sa puso mo, 2 no, ako mag-yes pa rin ako sa'yo, bro.
Salamat po.
Yung pala, 650,000 yung motor na yun, ano? Ako mangungutang kay FMG.
Masaya. Inabahan ako kanina. Maraming salamat po.
Michael, hindi ka man nakapasok sa next round, believe kami sa puso mo para sa talent mo.
Kaya ang isang yes na yun from Luluboy is equivalent to your courage dahil hindi ka nag-alinlangan para ipakita sa buong mundo kung anong kaya mo, kahit ano pa man ang meron o wala ka.
Congrats at enjoyin mo na ang fully paid tricycle mo.
Susunod na sa Pilipinas Got Talent.
Mimisa ka ba? Magmamagic ka?
Serious siya eh.
Na naman? May pasabog na naman?
Sa pagbabalik ng pasabog na
Pilipinas Got Talent.